Hi everybody. While this is not your typical glass slipper, we all kind of have some princess inside of us. And with creativity in mind, I'm going to be your fairy godmother and transform this into this. A creative classic style, and then bringing out the flower princess inside of us. First, I want to show you how to make these dazzled sneakers. You will need some plain sneakers. With a glue gun and decorating gems, I attach them on the toe area first. Then around the bottom. Take a pretty ribbon to add your flair for the laces. Finish off with gems all over and you have princess style sneakers. For the Flower Power Princess tie-dye shoes, you will need white shoes, colored sharpies, and alcohol. Next, use painter's tape to cover the soles of the shoes. I used thin sharpies and started with a yellow color in the middle, worked my way out. Then I took a pink color and did this next. I followed by the other colors. Once you draw your lines, use your Sharpie to fill out inside the lines. Start small at the point and then get wider as you go. You don't necessarily need to use a thin tip Sharpie, but I liked how it really made the lines blur over each other. However, you could really achieve the same effect with a regular Sharpie and just use the tip on the edges and use the thick part to fill in the rest. Fill them in well. Now I used a small paintbrush and use the alcohol to make the pattern bleed. First, always go along the line, then fill in the rest. Once done, I let it dry outside in the sun. Then I added a thicker Sharpie of the same color. I repeated with dabbing alcohol along the borders and brushing it all over. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, I'd love you to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and turn on those post notifications so you know next time I post a video. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.